Hi fam, come with me, let's do some hair revamping. So this is my first time trying to revamp my hair at home with some few treatments that I have. So let's see how it will turn out. So here I have my Alberto VO5 moisturizing conditioner. Okay, so I use this conditioner for my baby. So this is not a leave-in conditioner, it's a wash-off conditioner. So it softens the hair and give it a shine. So this is what I use in washing my baby's hair. It's actually very nice. So I'm going to use it to apply on this wig, to soften the wig or to give it a good texture. And this is here is Cantu buttercream. This is like hair conditioner, it's a leave-in conditioner. Okay, so we are going to be using these two conditioner. One is a wash-off conditioner and the Cantu is a leave-in conditioner. So let's see the texture of this Cantu. So this texture is just like sticky, stick and sticky. So I have to be careful while using it. Okay, see the texture, and let's see it how. Let's see the shine. Let's see the shine of the conditioner, so that we know what we are using on our wig. So I'm going to go ahead and rub it on my hands. Okay, the texture is good. It's good. I think it will be okay for the wig. So I'm just trying it for the first time. So this one, see the VO5. Oh wow, this one has a light consistency. The texture is so light. Okay, so I've actually been using this one for a while. I know that it's so nice. Yeah, so let's see how it will work on our wig. Next product is olive oil shampoo. Okay, so I got the shampoo. It was in a pack. It was in a relaxer pack, like a kit, and then I have some left. So I'm going to be using it to wash my hair, since that's the only thing I have at home. That is the only shampoo. So this is me trying to improvise. Okay. So next thing is to comb out the hair. So you have to comb it out thoroughly to detangle it. So it will be easy for you to work with while washing it. So next I dip in my wig into cold water. This is cold water, like room temperature, not warm, not ice. So next I'm going to go in with my shampoo. Okay, so look at the consistency of the shampoo. It's actually slimy. A little goes a long way. I actually use just one pack of the shampoo to wash the hair, to wash my wig. So you have to rub it gently on the wig. Do not scrub your wig, my loves. Do not scrub it because it can get tangled. Depending the quality of the wig, it can go bad. So just gently rub it with your hand gently. Okay, so guys, there are other nice shampoo products you can use for your hair, but I can probably recommend this one for you because I know it's really nice. So if you have olive oil shampoo, please, you can use it for your wig. It's nice. Look at how the wig came out. It came out so soft. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to wash it again. The wig was actually so dirty, like it was really dirty, so I needed a second wash before before we condition the hair. So this is me washing the hair the second time, just to remove the dirt. I want it to smell really good. Okay, so I dab it out, and this is our hair after being thoroughly washed. So the next thing we are going to do is to apply this our VO5 Island Coconut Moisturizing Shampoo. So that's the name. I got it from a supermarket. Just go in with it like evenly, like generously, and make sure it goes round the wig and then comb it. This is not a leave-in conditioner. Okay, this is a wash out conditioner. So after I condition the hair, are you seeing? You're going to see the next thing that I'm going to be doing. That is the magic. So you have to wrap your hair for some time. Just wrap it and make sure you have put in the curls inside the net, then put it in a ziploc bag and zip it up and keep it warm till it activates. That is the work of the shampoo. It will activate the hair and it will come out coily and very soft, like super soft. So the next thing we're going to do is to go in with our shea butter in a warm water. So this is a warm water, guys. This water is not hot and it's not cold. So it's something that you can dip in your hands, your finger for like 5 seconds and it won't hurt you. So next we are going to unwrap our hair. See the way you see how coily and shiny it's looking. Next we are going to go in with our leave-in conditioner. Guys, you don't have to apply this directly on your hair. It can stick on the hair and make it glossy. Okay, so you have to dissolve it in a warm water before dipping in your hair. So you notice after I unwrap the hair from the pack, I put it in a leave-in conditioner water with shea butter for extra shine, and then I rinse it out. So now the effect is that it's going to give your hair a very shiny, and it's going to make your hair to have weight. Okay, so the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, will make the hair very soft, very soft. And yeah, just rinsing it lightly, very light. Don't rinse it thoroughly, just rinse it lightly out and don't squeeze it. Allow the water to drain out on itself. So my review about this product is that it's really lovely. Like from the conditioner to the leave-in conditioner and the wash off conditioner, it's lovely. It gives my hair a very shiny and very soft texture. There is no regret at all. It really revamped my hair, as you can see. Are you seeing? That hair that you saw at the beginning, this is how it looks. So I'll recommend any of these things for you guys. So if you have it, please guys, you can use it. So this is the after look. You can actually style the hair in a wet, style the hair while it's wet, like have wet dampy look. But here is the dried look. So I love styling it dried because it always gives me a very full volume. Okay, so this is the dried one and it's looking very nice. So my loves, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for always clicking on my videos and watching my videos. To my OGs, I really appreciate your support. It really encouraged me to do more videos. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please support this channel by just clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the like button. This will encourage me to do more videos. I love you so much, guys. See you in my next video.